fellow educators. This is Aline, and welcome to Home by 4PD, the only channel dedicated to helping K-12 educators use AI to eliminate burnout, get your time back, and leave school by 4 o'clock or earlier every single day. If you're a classroom teacher, principal, academic coordinator, district leader, or you're just an educator who's heard about AI but don't know where to start, this channel is for you. In today's video, we're going to take a look at a question that was posted in a group where a teacher is wanting to get some help with decorating their bulletin boards. All right, so we're going to take a picture and we're going to upload this. Now this time I'm using Claude. You can use Claude, you can use ChatGPT, either one. In addition to their question and the photos that were uploaded, I'm also going to say, please provide a realistic rendition, a realistic rendition of the decorated boards as requested, along with some suggested supplies used and a link to where they can be purchased. Now you would also put, if you want to purchase them in person, then you would put your location. If you were to purchase them online, then you can say where they need to be purchased online. So I just left it as can be purchased because we don't know where this particular teacher is. And I'm going to press enter. Okay, so this one doesn't have a photorealistic generator. So what we're going to do is I'm going to copy and paste this prompt into ChatGPT and see what ChatGPT comes up with. Let's see if I have I'll come back to it. Oh yeah, we don't want this. All right, so it gave us farmhouse bulletin board border, and it tells us where to purchase that. So it gives us a description, and then it gives us this. Yeah, okay, that's okay. Let's see. Let me go back and get the picture. Let me get the photo. Copy image. I'm going to paste it here. And then let's see what ChatGPT comes up with. Oh wow, that looks really nice. Okay, so it kind of made up the rest of the picture for us. So let's take a look at this. Okay, so the teacher is an ELA teacher, and this is the bulletin board idea that Chat came up with. And let's see if there's some more. And it kind of took the information from the picture as best it could, which is pretty cool. Because if we look at the original image, we see there's a partial whiteboard and then there's one down there. It picked out those images, and then here, the student supply section. Okay. It's still doing its thing. Let's see. That's pretty good. Okay, so these are the two possibilities that it gave us. It gave us this one, and it gave us this one. So that's pretty good. And you can actually go in and edit either one of them. But that is how you would use ChatGPT to come up with ideas for decorating your classroom. I hope that's helpful. See you in the next video. Okay, so Chat forgot to tell us where to purchase these items. You forgot to give us a list of where to purchase these items. So we need to get a list of where to purchase the items, and notice that we're on a medium model. We're not using the strongest. Okay, and it came up with a warm sage green. Okay. 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 So here's a list of where to purchase everything. That's pretty cool. And that's exactly what we asked for. Okay. Well, there you have it. If you want this decor, this is where you get the items from. I hope this was helpful.